Today I'm going to show you one of the best free mods that you can do on these Chargers and Challengers 2019 and up that has an active valve exhaust. So right here on your exhaust, that black thing right there, that's going to be your exhaust valve. You have one on each side here. And what that does is that cuts the exhaust sound up and down, or louder and quieter, depending on what mode you're in, once the car heated up, that kind of stuff. So what you can do is you can take that off and you can zip tie the valve open and then put it back on, and then that way all the time the valves are open. So it'll make it sound a lot louder, sound better, and it's free and it's easy, and you don't even have to jack up the car because it's relatively easy to get to. Just a couple 8mm bolts. And once you take the bolts out, you can see here the actuator and stuff. You want to take that spring out, and that's the actuator. See? Closed, and then that's open. So just make sure that's open there, facing out. You can put a zip tie in there, and when you zip tie it, it's gonna lock it in so it doesn't rattle, and then that will still rotate and it'll think it's open in it, but it's not. And then you have that open all the time.